Now student, in this lecture we will learn about how we can import a Revit file in plumbing template. So first of all, from here you will select this insert tab bar, insert tab, and then from this link panel you can select link Revit option, and after selecting this link option we can select this link Revit file. So from here this is my plumbing profile project, and I can share this project with you, and then select this open. So there is a technical issue, you can link so this is my file, link file project. This is basically an architectural file, and I can open this file.
Distribution system similar the water
So here you see
this main pipe,
this is our
and from this main
architectural
pipe,
file. So just click on here and then select bind link option. Click on bind link option and then select this levels. Okay, select this yes option.
and
Select OK.
and they supply water to different reservoir, and from this
So it takes some time in
water
binding.
is supplied in all direction, in all 360 angle. We can choose any direction, and it is supplied to the consumer.
So here you can select OK option and then see this in 3D view. So this is the 3D view of Revit file, and then select this file. These all are grouped, and I can simply ungroup this file. Now we can select each and component one by one. So after that we can see here you see there are this is first, second and third level in Revit file, but here in a plumbing file there are two levels. So from this elevation I can select this elevation option, and now level 1 is at 0, which we select from here. This is rename this, copy and select this level as plumbing level 1. Again select this, paste and name it to plumbing level, and this level is 15 feet above from level 1. Now similarly from architecture tab select this level and draw level 3 here,
so this way of distribution is known
and this level is 30 feet above. So we name this level paste option, and with this level is 4 level 4 sorry, this is paste level 3, and we can also rename here. This is third level, and now we can create another level at here. So select this level and name this level this is level 4. Yes, so here this level name change. So now we can create all levels. In this way we can create level and inserting file. Or here you see in 3D this is level 1, 2, 3, and we have level 4. So we work on these levels and building.